So you're probably wondering, Margaret, where are you? Well, sad to say that I am actually sitting in my closet. Broke a nail already. So today, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. I'm sorry you're catching me in a really big mess right now. So don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notifications. Whenever I do post a video, you are the very first to see it, okay? You know how they say life be lifing? Yeah, that's why my closet looked the way it looked. It has been many months, where I have just gotten to the point where I take off my clothes, don't even put it back. Laundry gets done, don't even put the clothes up. Yeah, I honestly think we just need to go ahead and add that in our budget, because I'm tired of putting my clothes up. Like, I'll do the laundry, but putting up the clothes is just not my thing. And you can talk about me all you want to, but today, it's just real raw, okay? Y'all, my closet is is filthy. To the point where I'm actually sitting on clothes right now. And,
bombastic
yeah, I'm just tired of, you guys, it's to the point now when I get dressed to go anywhere, I get depressed. Just going into my closet, there's clothes that doesn't fit me anymore. There's clothes I just need to get rid of. Like, I just need to let it go. And today we're gonna do that together. Oh. So yeah, you guys get to see me clean up this dirty behind closet and get rid of clothes. So at first I was just gonna go like give the clothes away like I normally do, but I actually still have things that has tags on them that I'm like, let me go see if I can make some money off of it. You know what I mean? I'm pretty sure I'm probably not going to be able to make much anyways. But I already have a big bag that needs to go. So I'm like, I might as well add this on to the collection of this mess in this closet, okay? So, you know, the Lord says, you know, I have to take care of the things that he provided me with. And so that I can see more. You know what I mean? So, we're going to get rid of these clothes and make room for new things, you know. It's a little depressing. I'm not going to hold you. It is very depressing. I was just telling my sister the other day, like, I hate going into my closet. Like, I literally get frustrated. My husband is like, I don't understand it. So, it's time to just get rid of the old. Out with the old, in with the new. So these are all clean. They're not dirty. So you can only imagine what it's like looking for clothes in this mess. So let's just get it together, guys. Yeah, I really don't even know where should I start. Should I start with what's on the floor? Maybe I'll do that so that I can have a room to, you know, get around here. So yeah, let's do it, guys. First things first, you need bags. I'm turn on some music actually.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Alright, y'all, so we've semi-cleared the floor. Now we're going to go through the bins, because the bins need a lot of work. So I think I'm going to do one bin for gym and leisure. And then the other bin is kind of like things I would wear like if I'm going out to the grocery store or like to an event or something. Things that don't really need to be hung up. That's going to go in those bins. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
Many months later.
We made it! Hello! I got you something.
My goodness.
I was like, I don't know if you use any of this stuff, but I love you.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death.
A liquid eyelash again. That is the Lord. And then we got right here, Juicy Tunes. I'm using it right now. Just put her down. Lord. So you see how you do, Chloe? I'm gonna knock everything over.
Literally, she's displaying it all out. I love that.
Yes. Thank you.
So cute. I love you.
God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way.
Looks so good.
Close to your love again.
Thank you so much.
I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to be with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what